Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm back with another video. So, my wig currently just fell off. So, my wig fell off. So that's why I'm bald. So if you're asking, that's why. So we're gonna do a mail time. We have 13 gifts. Let's get it. So we're gonna start with Snowflake Queen 172. Oops. Rose Hills, I can't. Oh my gosh. She does not just do this. Is this a freaking ultra rare? Oh my gosh. Does she not know that this is rare or something? Isn't this rare or something? Didn't she for real, like, even go? I'm shook. Oh my god. My wig fell off. I'm for real so shook right now. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. I'm really shook right now. Oh my gosh. Little Miss Grateful. Oh yeah. Thank you, Love French Fries. She actually has a channel too. It's called Love MSP. So yeah, go check it out. The lag is real, I swear. What does it say? I've always wondered. Oh, look. That looks weird. But thank you. It's probably just because I have no wig on. Honey, this top and these shorts are a look. Oh my gosh, I'm so shook right now. Bruh. Look, honey. Just with the shoes. Double up. I don't even have a braid hair. Thank you so much. So thank you so much for this braid hair. Like, it's so expensive. I've never seen these before. Forgot to say I'm recording. Oops. Free spirit. Yes. Mouthful of gum. Dry one. What is it? I can't tell because of freaking lag. Who pumped up? Oh. Oh. Okay. I see you. I see you. This is my third pair of the Deepak shoes. My third pair. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. This hair is everything. Oh, thank you. Isn't this like rare or something? Thank you. Thanks, Boo. Now I'm going to show y'all. I have 3 pairs of these Deepak shoes, and I'm not lying. I ain't lying. I'm pretty sure I have 3 pairs, if not 2. See, 3. 3 pairs. Okay, well. Okay, well, thank you to everybody who gifted me. I'm so appreciative, and I love y'all all. So I will see y'all tomorrow, maybe. Peace. Love y'all. Mwah.